Christmas breeze. Christmas breeze a blow. What is going on in Jamaica today? Oh my God, this COVID.
Grandpa, I can ask you something about Christmas?
Yeah man, go ahead man, go ahead.
Grandpa, why we don't have a chimney?
Chimney? Well, what do you know about chimney? We're supposed to have a couple of chimney under my bed inside here. Because sometimes it's a hard task to get up and to go into the
No,
bathroom.
Grandpa, not a chimney. A chimney. You know, like when them tip on the TV and them go through the chimney, like Santa Claus come through the chimney and then put the gift
Oh, you
under the
mean
house.
chimney? Well, Jamaica don't really have chimney and these things, you know. Chimney is a foreign thing.
Yeah, but Santa Claus need a chimney to come through to give me my gift then this
Santa
year,
Claus.
Grandpa. How that can work out?
No man, Santa Claus is I don't know to put this lightly so you don't get hurt, you know. But Santa Claus is not a real person.
No, Grandpa, Santa Claus is
This
real.
Saint Nick, whatever his name, he means not a real person.
Yes, Grandpa, Santa Claus is real.
No, great grandson, he means not a real
Santa Claus is
person.
real. No, but I get my gift every year from Santa Claus. So, oh, you going to tell me that Santa Claus is not real, Grandpa?
I say Santa Claus is not real.
Santa Claus is real. And you're lying.
What do you mean I'm lying? You think I will sit here as a old man and lie to you? Santa Claus is not real. All of them gifts that you get every year is your mother buy them. Or I chip in and purchase some gifts for you. So when they give you say another tree this year, it's me and you.
I want proof. You can't prove that Santa Claus is not real because Santa Claus is real.
What's you want proof? Okay, you want proof that I'm not lying.
And you give me a gift every year. And mommy tell me say Santa Claus is real. And if I behave myself this year, I am going to get gift from Santa Claus.
Any man come into my house into the night is breaking and entering. And he will have to face the full force of the law of Santa Claus and go through chimney. I can show you that Santa Claus is not real. Save myself some money this year, I buy you no gift with the ungrateful self. But Santa Claus and all these foolishness. You is alright, don't worry about it.